when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. I just peeled 3 potatoes. I'm about to chop them up. I'm going to make some oven roasted potatoes. Okay, so I have my water boiling. We'll add some salt in there. That's what I use, no salt. That's how my potatoes looking. Go ahead and put them in this water. We're gonna let it boil. Well, come to a complete boil. Once it starts boiling, we'll give it like 8 minutes so they can soften up. Okay, so we have 1 stick of butter. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the microwave for 1 minute. Let this bad boy melt. Then we're gonna add our seasoning. Okay, so here go our butter right here. I'm about to go ahead and put these potatoes. I let them boil for 12 minutes. And yes, they is soft. Yep, they soft. All right, we have our potatoes in there. Now I'm gonna give them a nice seasoning. Some color, paprika. Some Italian seasoning. Some garlic and herb. Some parsley. I have my oven. That's the oven right there. Preheated on 375. And it's going there just like this. Yep. We'll give them about, I say, 20 more minutes. And we'll put this good food on a nice plate. When I first started, I took them out the boiling water. It was extra soft. The only thing I could do is just set them in there. But now I can mix them. Don't have to worry about it falling apart. 20 more minutes. Okay, so we have our roasted potatoes, shrimp, sausage. A Nice little put together recipe. Cool video for the channel. Made it happen. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.